Okay, this is graphing 2. Right, so here's your graph of f of x. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in each of these blank spaces here with either equals, less than, or greater than. Okay? All right, so first let's look at these two. F prime of -2, F prime of 2. All right, now think rate of change or slope of tangent line at -2. Slope of tangent line at -2, horizontal. Slope of tangent line at 2, horizontal. So f prime of -2 is 0. F prime of 2 is 0. So they're equal. They're equal because they're both equal to 0. Slope of the tangent line at top of a hill or bottom of a valley equal to 0. All right, now let's think f prime of -1. F prime of -1, let's see, that's the slope of the tangent line there at -1. Right, so something like that. F prime of 3, that's the slope of the tangent line here. Okay, now let's see. Remember, positive, negative. Positive slope lines angle like that, negative like that. Right, so f prime at -1 is positive, right? It's a positive slope line, whereas f prime of 3 is a negative slope line. So this is a negative, that's a positive, so positive that way. F prime of -3 versus f prime of 1. Okay, f prime of -3. Let me do these in green here. Okay. F prime of -3, so that's the slope of that tangent line, right, which is negative. F prime of 1, slope of that tangent line. Let's see, that's positive. So f prime of 1 in this case is positive more than, is greater than a negative. Okay. Now -1 and 1, let's look at those. Okay, so we had, this was our slope of -1 there, that was our slope of 1 there. Which one looks steeper? You know, it's hard to tell really. It's hard to tell really, hand-drawn graph, but it looks like the graph is steeper there than it is there. So I'm going to go with f prime of -1, steeper. Slope of the tangent line at -1, they're both positive, but it's steeper, so more.